more reactions from these guys. Whoever organized Chameleon's show, please put respect to that brand.
I know, right?
I don't know if it's Chameleon. Bujingo, I want to hold you at ransom. Gwe wategeka ekivulu kino gwe wampita mu Twitter. Naye I don't like at all how you've marketed that show. Show ya Chameleon, yes, it was a success, but I felt there's something I was expecting. Yes, Chameleon is an X factor in the game. Nabadde njagala Serena Juledu Bagubaba. That's the news I wanted to hear. Until we couldn't hold the capacity of Serena people. And Emitwalo 15 for Chameleon is okay.
Very okay, yeah.
If people can pay, but I feel we fell short in promotion and marketing. I don't know who is handling. And that guy, I think, gives you, trusts you. Nabagama katitashi integeka.
I know, right.
So you need to have a mutual ground, a more understanding each other. What you want. So, Ngatatuna reactions and all that. Waliwo ekivulo ekyabaddeyo Chawiro, Masaka Arua. This guy had a very good show. That's Congolese.
Kampala ready to dera ku Serena.
Kampala is coming in Serena. So Masaka na Arua yona bamaze, I think. Then Nemunganda waffe Wanyash Festival.
Bambi. Era nga tugenda wali ku Gundi Forest Resort.
Yakibyo omwana.
Wow.
Nesaba amazigundi akagala nnyo.
Abana basibyewo nga bagira.
Kati osobokozesa Forest Mall yasabye amazi. By the way,
I know yakikubye nnyo. He always does. Abana basibye era tuli mu kuddayo kukola kadanke. Celebrating amasanyu merere. Goka.
Let's take a katutulabe kyabadde Masaka.
Tulabe ne Venom bye yakoze mu Nyash Festival.
Nakede kumacha kulambula Kampala simu kwa manyaliri mu Kampala bandi basula njala wane Kampala sini Kampala rende wa mutoli na kumira mpeke kachule na chulo sifuna ya dembeke yiba let's go twasigaza kuchakala na kuwa kuchakala na pia bilela twabireka kuchakala na pia wachi kuchakala na kuwa twasigaza kuchakala na pia kwekwe kuchakala na kuwa.
Okay, Nyash Festival, first festival wete weyatambudde muganda waffe Ranks Vene omu bwati yatera okutegeka eyo bundi festival omwaka ogujja tujjuzeera mu bungi. We are happy for all the shows ezabadde over the weekend. Buli omu yayolesezza amaanyi Jackster.
Kale, now I think Tash, let's take a break. We do that for the reactions on all the shows. We wanted to give you the content first, then we get you reactions.
Reactions kansipirene zakubye ku mutwe. Tulina baganda baffe bali basabula.
Asabudde acidic vocal ne Mudra.
Oh. No, nze nabadde mu show ya Mudra, obadde okimanyi?
Yes, I saw you.
Ayi olimbye ate totera limba mulokole. Nena alina okugenda, though we have to really make it. Oyo muganda waffe. Nafunamu awo ebyankwata, but I really enjoyed his show. Nali online nga ndaba buli kebateekayo.
Naye ekyo nkyenjagadde mu leero.
Nayinza bbanga kituufu wandaba olimba. Toyogera ku kala zange.
Leero yambadde bulungi. Kayero ne red abantu people power nenalimu.
Tulina okubalansinga nga equation.
Obapasaganyiza bulungi.
Shagolooza tetulina abantu baffe nga bagala yera wala bagala red.
Let us have a break, we come back.